Continuing that exercise, la chemise, and that is the noun. In the bracket we have le pantalon, et vert et belle mais cher. So now we are going to replace la chemise with le pantalon. So from the article we can see that this is feminine, this is masculine. So now let us see what are the adjectives. Vert is the adjective, belle, cher. Three adjectives we have in this case. Le pantalon est, now vert, it is in the feminine form. To make it masculine, in this case you just have to remove the e. So verte. A. Now the next adjective, belle. Belle is in the feminine form. So to make it masculine, you know the masculine form of belle, it is beau. Vert et beau, mais. Now this word here, this is one of the exceptions I was talking about. So when this word, now this is in the feminine form. So the masculine form of this is cher. So cher is the masculine form. To make it feminine, we add an e and there is an accent here. So this is an exceptional case. So now we have written the adjectives in the masculine form according to the subject. Next, le foufou is going to be replaced with la tarte au citron et délicieux mais difficile à trouver à Dubai. Now we are going to replace this noun with this one. So la tarte au citron, la tarte au citron et now we have to spot the adjectives. Délicieux, difficile. So these are the adjectives here. So now this is in the masculine form. So you can see that from the articles, this is masculine, this is feminine. So now the adjectives are in the masculine form. To convert them into feminine form, now if you see, this is one of the exceptions I told you about. When a verb ends with EUX, how do we write the feminine form? EUSE, delicious. So this is how we write the feminine form. Mais. The next adjective, difficile. Now this adjective does not change. It is the same for the masculine and the feminine form. So it remains as such. Difficile. And complete the sentence. À trouver à Dubai. So now you know how to write the adjective in agreement with the noun. If the noun is singular, the adjective is also singular. If the noun is in the plural, the adjective is also in the plural. If the noun is masculine, the adjective is masculine. If the noun is feminine, the adjective also takes the feminine form. So this is how we write the adjectives.